Dear students of class 11th, subject business studies, our today's topic is types of partners. There are different types of partners in a partnership business. Partnership is the association of two or more persons. The partnership firm can have different types of partners which are described by this picture. The first type of partner, it's active partner. Second is sleeping partners. Third type is secret partners. Next is nominal partners. Next, partners by estoppel, minor as partners. Now we will discuss them one by one. So far as the active partners are concerned, they are also known as working partners. A working partner is one who contributes capital to the business and takes active part in its management. Hence, he is called active partner. His liabilities are unlimited. He shares profit and loss. The second type of partners are sleeping partners. Sleeping partner is one who contributes capital but does not take part in the management of the business. He invests money but not time. He is also called dormant partner or financing partner. He also shares profit and loss. Next type of partners is nominal partner. A nominal partner does not contribute capital. Neither does he take active part in the management of the business. His contribution in the partnership is limited to allowing the other partners to make use of his name. This means he allows partners, active partners and sleeping partners to use his name also in the business. He does not share profit and loss. Next is partner by estoppel. Partner by estoppel is not actually a partner of the firm, but by his words and conduct, he leads the outsiders to believe that he is also a partner of the firm. इसका मतलब है कि वो उसका चाल चलन, वो जिस तरह दूसरे एक्टिव पार्टनर्स हैं बिजनेस में, उन्हीं जैसा, उन्हीं जैसी यूनिफॉर्म, उन्हीं जैसा चाल चलन दूसरों को दिखाने के लिए वो अपने आप को प्रिटेंड करता है कि मैं इस पार्टनरशिप बिजनेस का एक पार्टनर हूं. He does not share profit and loss, but is liable for the debts if any. क्योंकि लोगों को पता चलता है शायद ये भी पार्टनर है, उसको भी लोग पकड़ सकते हैं जब कर्जा होगा. Secret partner. A secret partner is actually a partner of the firm. He is actually a partner. He contributes capital. He contributes capital, but he keeps his existence as a secret. His liability is also unlimited. He contributes capital ensures profit and loss, but keeps his existence as sacred. Last, minor as a partner. A person below the age of 18 is known as minor. He cannot enter into a contract. He can be admitted to the benefits of the partnership with the consent of other partners, all the partners. He is not liable for debts, but has a share in the property or profits and contributes capital. He cannot take active part in the management of business. That's all for today. Stay safe.